Alright, you guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have not hit subscribe, please subscribe, hit that like button and the notification button as well. If you hear any type of background noise, it's early in the morning and I have all the kids and everything, everybody's moving around, so I apologize. Like, that was my daughter back there saying mommy. Okay, so today what are we making? We're gonna be making a berry, what is it, like a fruit salad but of berries, okay? And it's super delicious, and it's very easy, simple to make. And yes, and I'll also show you like the little dressing that I put on it. Very simple. So our ingredients are as strawberries. Okay, so I actually got 2 containers of the strawberries. I'm gonna make a good amount of fruit salad. So I have 2 of these. I have what is this? Blueberries. So I have 1 container of blueberries, and then I have 3 of raspberries. Okay, guys, 3 of the raspberries. Then for the dressing, that's all I'm gonna use for the actual fruits in the salad. I sometimes, even though this is a berry recipe, I sometimes do put grapes, purple grapes, but at the local Publix that I have around here, they didn't have any purple grapes, at least not the ones I wanted. They have only like the big jumbo ones, like they're like pretty big, and I wanted the smaller ones, and they did not have that. So I guess they're seasonal, so there weren't any available. All right, so then for the dressing, you're gonna need 1/4 of a cup of honey, and you're gonna need 1/4 cup of lime juice, so this is a lime. Okay, so I'm gonna take you now step by step on how to make the salad, which is pretty simple. We're gonna dice up the fruits. Some of the fruits is pretty much the strawberries, because the blackberries I leave them whole. The raspberry I pretty much leave that whole. Sometimes cut them in half because they're very fragile and they like kind of like loses its texture. So this is gonna be quick, easy, simple. I love this recipe because you could take it, you know, to a company event, also to a small little gathering, or just for home, just for the kids to snack on. You leave it in the refrigerator and they'll go in there and help themselves. So it's a nice treat to have. Okay, you guys, so before washing them or anything, what I do is that I just cut off the top of the strawberry, as you can see here. I cut them off, and then I place it in another bowl here. And then once I have all my strawberries, then I go ahead and I rinse off this bowl and make sure that the strawberry itself is nice and clean. And then I dice these even more, okay? So I'm just gonna continue and chop off the top here. Just move it here like that. Chop it up here. It makes me feel like I wash these better when I don't have all the green stems on it. So that's what I do. Okay, so I'll continue chopping up, and I'll continue to show you step by step. Okay, you guys, as you can see, the strawberries are all nice and clean. I already rinsed them off. So now I'm just gonna grab the strawberries and cut them up so I could put them in my bowl. So you just dice them up the way you want it. I like to leave them like in pretty big chunks so people could just scoop them out, you know. The real small ones like these, I just leave them like that. Okay. And then we just continue on, okay? Just like that. Okay, you guys, so we're done chopping up the strawberries. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the raspberries, put them in this bowl, rinse them off under the sink, and place them in our fruit bowl, okay? Okay, you guys, so now the raspberries have been washed and cleaned. So now we just cut them up a little bit, just like slice them in half, just so it could be easy to scoop. And then we place them in our fruit bowl. Okay. And we'll just continue. Okay, you guys, so in here is the strawberry and the raspberry, and as you can tell, you know, it already has its juices like showing, you see? So I didn't add any dressing or anything yet. So it really is, as you could eat it just like that. And then here are the blackberries. I'm sorry, not the blackberries, the blueberries. And they're already washed. And then I'm just gonna add it to our fruit bowl. You see, and it gives it color. It's really good and so healthy for you guys. So blueberries are real good. All of it is really good. Everything in moderation. Okay, so then here is the fruit bowl with the blackberries, the strawberries, the raspberry. The raspberry, because I split them, it has been like mushy, but we prefer it that way because a lot of the kids here, they're not a fan of raspberries, so if they don't really see it, they'll eat it. But if you don't want that to happen, just leave your raspberry whole. Look, this is an example of a whole one, and then you can actually see your raspberry. So that's just a preference of my family. And like I said, if I would have had grapes, purple grapes, I would have added that too. And it's just amazing, amazing, amazing taste. It links it all together really good, but you don't really need the grapes to it. So now we're just gonna make the dressing. And like I said, we're gonna use honey, 1/4 of a cup of honey and 1/4 of lime juice. And we'll put it in our fruit bowl, and it will be done. Okay, so now to make the dressing. So I'm gonna grab, like I said, 1/4 of a cup. Down here is 1/4 of a cup, so I'm just gonna fill it up to there. It's 1/4. This is of honey. Honey, 100% honey. Honey. And then we just pour it in our bowl because we're gonna mix that with the lemon juice, the lime juice. And then you just help out the honey get out of the measuring cup. And then what I like to do is I also like to put some honey in the measuring cup. I'm actually gonna put it on the same one so all the rest of the honey will come out. All right, so let's do that. So let's put this right here. We're not gonna use this measuring thing. Just this. Put our lime in there. We're gonna squeeze. Like I said, the background noise is my kids playing, my son playing video games. Oh, this lime had actually a good amount of juice in it. Real good. Okay. I might be able to take out some more. Next one. I'm telling you, cooking is a workout, you guys. Oh man, I'm surprised that these limes had so much juice in them. This is good. Got my money's worth. All right, I think I'm gonna need just one more, really. Cause look, I don't know if you guys can see it, but so that was a lemon and a half. That's all you guys needed. Let's see. Yep, a lemon and a half. And I'm gonna mix it here because remember we had the honey in the bottom, like the little leftovers. So I'm just mixing that up so all of it could come out of this measuring cup. scoop out whatever you can. All right, and then we put that here, and then now you mix this. And once you have this finished, once it's all mixed, you pour it over your fruit basket. You refrigerate for a little bit, and it's ready to serve, ready to give out to your, take it to your friends, family, whatever your event may be. Or just enjoy it at home while watching TV. Or with your little toddler that's screaming in the background. Whatever the case may be, is fine. So like I said, and this is a really good meal. I mean, like a snack for the fruits. And so your kids won't go after the chips, or yourself, because I'm one of those. If I don't have my friendly snacks available, I'll have the Oreo cookies instead. All right, you guys, so this is, you see how there's no strong, everything is mixed very well. Okay, so now we pour it over our fruit. And then little by little, and then you mix it up, okay guys? If you're not gonna eat this right away, I suggest you just save your dressing and put it aside. Like, let's say you're going to a party, but the party's not gonna be until 3 hours from now. Just take it in a separate little bowl and just set it up once you're ready to leave the house and take it over. And then if this is gonna be for your house, then just have a separate little bowl, so then as you make your individual bowls, you add your dressing to it. Or if you have kids like mine that are too impatient, then just add it in. I have plenty of kids in this household, so this fruit bowl really won't last that long. Maybe by today or tomorrow it'll be gone. And I'm telling you guys, this tastes amazing. I do have another recipe for another type of dressing that is amazing, and I'll show you that in another video. Okay, you guys, so this is your finished product right here. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button so you don't miss out on all of our videos. We produce a lot of content, from cooking to video games to vlogs to challenges, so don't miss out on any of the fun things. Thank you so much for following us through our journey. And yeah, please comment below, let me know how did you like our recipe. If you like the dressing, what did you think of it? What do you usually use for your recipes? That would be great. So yeah, comment below, let us know. Thank you so much. Have a good one.